First order of the day, we going to Jack in the Box. Righty, you know what time it is. We is back. This is gonna be day 4. Earned by time with Doordash. Let me go ahead and set that up. Bow, got that in there, ready to go. So first order, just got it. Jack in the Box, 4 miles. Don't know how much it's paying, but all I know is I'm trying to get my acceptance rate up to 50%. I'm at a 45 right now. I was only able to get 2 orders last night. Only 2 orders. It's terrible. We got this one though. The time is now 5:30. See if we can get 5 orders done. First Doordash order to ship. Thank you, ma'am. You too. Look at that. Order was ready to go. That's how I need it to be. Now, I'm at a 45% right now on my acceptance rate. Hopefully, I can do 5 orders and get it done and get up to 50%. But here's the thing. And you know, the thing we gotta realize is DoorDash goes on a rolling count. What is a rolling count? So based on your last 100 offers that was sent to your phone, that's what your actual acceptance rate is. So you may have started to accept every order and started counting, hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever, but DoorDash algorithm already been keeping track of how many you didn't accept and declined. So don't get discouraged when you're trying to raise that acceptance rate and it don't go up every single order you complete. The closer you get to your acceptance rate goal, the slower the increase is gonna be. Like me, this from 40 to 50% has been the slowest. So it's gonna be a little tough, but I understand that, and I'm hoping that as I, you know, get that rate up, it begins to give me better orders. Alrighty, earned by time. First order of the day. Man, this house looks questionable. That picture. They said they need that Jack in the Box. Order number 1. Back to this car for a damn something crawl on me. Cash earned by time. Got the order dropped off. Let's see what it pays. First order of the day. Woo! $10.21. Man, I think that's the best order I got this whole time doing earned by pay. Let's get it. Order. We got Buffalo Wild Wings. 3 miles? That's perfect right there. And we already heard Buffalo Wild Wings is right over there. So we already heard. Now that's order number 2 right there. I need what, 3 more orders? But man, I think they starting to hit me with the good old 1-2 already, because this is my 2nd order and I'm still at 45%. Man, I don't know what's going on. They just like to play with your boy. They like to play with Trader because they know once I get over 50%, it's gonna be over with. Let me see. I don't even know if this one actually made my acceptance rate go up, but we about to see right now. I think this might actually be the 3rd order in a row that I've done. Let me see. Yep, it's the 3rd one in a row that I've accepted and it ain't went up. So that shows you right there. It doesn't always go up with each order you do, and the closer you get to your acceptance rate goal, be it 50%, 70%, or even 100%, each order you do is not gonna necessarily increase your rating by 1. Because if that was the case, I would be at a 48% right now. And I think another thing to keep in mind is, I know a lot of folks were saying in the comments like, hey, you know, if you want to increase your acceptance rate, you can accept the order and unassign it. And that may be true, but you want to make sure you're being extra careful when you're doing that, especially in the times like this, because like I say, this is order number 3 that I've accepted and I'm still at 45%. So that shows you right there, there could be 3 orders you accept and unassign, and you could be still at the exact same percentage point. So be careful when doing that. You don't want to, you know, unassign too many orders back to back, because first of all, DoorDash can look at that and just stop sending you orders altogether for that shift. And then secondly, that can, you know, put you in a bad situation if you hovering below that 80% on your completion rate, and then, you know, you unassign 1 and unassign 2. Now you're really, really close. And let's say you get a really bad order and you stuck with it because you're so close to 80% on your completion. So I'm gonna stray away from accepting and unassigning orders just for the sake of raising my acceptance. I'm gonna stray away from that. But I also will keep in mind that, you know, just because I accept the order doesn't mean that it's gonna go up 1 point every time on my acceptance rate. But I'm okay with that. Hopefully it'll be up over 50 today, because man, I'd be very upset if it's 2 days of accepting everything and I'm so close to that 50% and I didn't make it over. I wouldn't be happy with that. We at Buffalo now though. Bang, we was already in the parking lot, so at least it wasn't a far drive over there. Let's go ahead and park right here. Okay, now, that's what I'm talking about right there. Buffalo Wild Wings had that thing ready to go. Now, you know what? It might not even be them. It may just be I'm getting offers that's been declined by everybody else. But look, I needed to keep flowing like this because those first couple days when I was actually completing orders, I was good. But, you know, when the orders don't flow, it's kind of hard to make that dough. So I need these orders to come through so I can make it do what it do. Yes, sir. Order number 2. It ain't even been 30 minutes yet on this earn by time shift. And I'm on my second order. This is much better than anything from this week or last week because it's been really slow. I mean, pretty much across the board on this side of the river and on the other side, it's just been slow. I mean, it's been beyond slow, honestly, because I usually can make $100 a day no matter which apps I use, no matter what. And I know I had a Doordash challenge going and this week and last week, but even regardless of that, on the other apps I still wasn't seeing stuff when I did turn them on in the times I wasn't using Doordash. So that lets you know right there, some weeks it's gonna be slow, some weeks it's gonna be busy. Order has been dropped off. That's order number 2. Woohoo! Let's go! That's the first good tipping order. Okay, $15.85, a $10 tip on that order, man. I almost can't even believe it. Cause it's been so long since I didn't seen a good tip on any order that, wow. When you get one, see, this is how DoorDash play games with you. They give you that look. No, that's a $12 tip, $3.85 base pay, $12 tip, 17 minutes on that order. That means I've been in for 37 minutes so far and I'm sitting at what? 25 bucks. Let's go. That's how it should be on DoorDash. It ain't always gonna be like that, but I'm glad that it's happening like that today. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a quick peek at my ratings. Still at a 45%, but at least my completion rate went back up to 95. And that just goes to show you right there, it's been 40 something orders that I did, and my completion rate just went up to 95 from a 94. But you know what? It's all good. Well, I need to figure out where I'm going. Order number 3. Stop playing with me, bro. That thing was ready to go. Yes, sir. All right, Chick-fil-A, 3 miles away. Let's get that paper. Order number 3. Get that dropped off. Gotta have that one-handed action when you recording your deliveries. Make it easier when you can do everything with one hand. Boom. Order number 3. Stop playing with me. So that's first time in like 2 weeks that I got 3 orders done in 1 hour. And I believe that's gonna be the end of my dash. $34.18 for 1 hour and 13 minutes. Not bad. Let's go ahead and have a look at that. 1 hour and 13 minutes, $34. Ooh, and they say I can switch to earn. Ooh, okay, let's go ahead and do that. Switch to earn per order. It won't let me. It will not let me. I guess we good now. It let me hop right back in even though my dash ended. So now we right back in on earn by time. Let's get it. 2.5 miles at 54th Street. Man, I'm loving these low distance deliveries because, man, them 11-mile orders was killing me. 54th Street Bar and Grill. This one is a 2-mile order. Man, I hope because I'm getting closer to 50% that they treating me good, because, man, they was treating me horrible on the way up. So now that we actually, you know what I'm saying, getting closer to that goal, maybe that's why they treat me good like this. And they got express to go. So you just pull up and they bring it out to you. Perfect. Look at that. Order ready to go. That's just a salad, ain't it? That is perfect. That's just a salad. I appreciate it. Thank you. You too. Lion's Choice. Where's Lion's Choice? It's right over here, ain't it? Yeah, it is.
In that Target area.
Yep, so look, I just got to go right across the street and we finna grab this add-on right here. Boom. I can't ask for nothing better. Got the 54th Street. It's just a salad on this order. Order ready to go. Boom. Soon as I get there, I get an add-on. Lion's Choice right across the street. Easy money. Like, you think I ain't finna take that? Hell yeah, I'm about to take that. I'm right here. And that's the 3rd order in a row. I know my rate went up. Boom. We at 47. Stop playing with me. Let's go. I'm at a 47%. Hopefully, with the next 3 orders, I actually make it to 50. I really hope so. Because DoorDash likes to play games, but you know what? It's cool. We right across the street. Hopefully these is 2 orders with a tip on it, honestly, because, you know, when it comes to earn by time, you could be taking some orders with some high base pay and no tip. And it could be a situation where it ain't no high base pay and no tip. But you know what? It's Saturday night. People is hungry. They paying that money. I'm just hoping that we get good orders with good tips. That's what I've been seeing so far. Hopefully that trend continues. This will actually be my, what, 5th order in the first hour, because it's finna be a full hour that I've been in on, you know, earn by time. So let's get it. I like the mods right there. Alrighty, let's head on into Lion Choice. Pick up this DoorDash order from Bradley. See if he got it ready. Usually have them ready though, to be honest. 5th time being here, they always have them ready. For the charm, look, told you. They always have them ready. I never been here and they not been ready. Boom. Thank you. Alrighty, Lion's Choice is 5 for 5 on having them orders ready for Dashers. If you out there, make sure you picking up them Lion's Choice orders because you're gonna make that money. You're gonna keep them wheels rolling. Let's go. Order on that stack dropped off. Had a very bad GPS reception over there. Two of this DoorDash drop off. This one was 5.5 miles away. Not too bad all in all though. I'm just taking a picture right here. I'll give it to you. Boom. No, some tell me that order number 2 is gonna be a no-tip order. We got them both dropped off. Let's go ahead and confirm that. Okay, so I was wrong. The second order wasn't a no-tip order. $12 in total. We got a $2.50 tip on the first one and a $2.50 on the other one, but they wasn't real great orders. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Look at that. Next order just came through. I'm gonna take it right away. Let's head up on in the Taco Bell. Grab our customer some of that taco smell. Oh. They is behind up in here. 48% right now. So with this one, I need 2 more and I'll be at 50%. And that's my goal because look, it's Saturday. I've been basically trying all week to get from 23% up to 50%. So I want to let this order go, but at the same time, that last order, that last stack that I took brought me all the way down here. So if I let this one go, it may not be any other orders over here. And I see this Taco Bell right here. I see a motel and a gas station over there. So it ain't really a whole lot out here. So if I let this one go, I may be stuck for a minute. So you know what? I may have to just keep this one. Hopefully, at least this one is taking me back towards my zone because I wasn't able to grab a screenshot. It may take me further into Troy, and if it do, let's go. You see it. Yes, sir. $5 cash tip. Handed it to the customer. Let's go. Let me go ahead and confirm that. Boom. Come on, confirm that thing. I handed it. Boom. Order complete. $4.64 base pay, $0 tip on that order. But guess what? She handed me $5 in cash, and she said she didn't know if we have to report cash, you know, tips with the credit card on our taxes. I was like, look, it don't matter. You handed me a $5 cash tip, so we good to go. All right, let me go ahead and see if I can get back to my area because they got me all the way over here in Troy, and I would like to not get any more orders down here if possible. You know what? We got really close, but you know what? The grind continues. We are at a 48%, guys. So not bad. You know, we made a little bit of money. What I did like $34 on the first hour, and in that second hour I did 16 bucks. It made me come pretty far away from my zone though. But you know what? It's good. I ended it. I could go a little bit longer and probably get 2 more orders done, but it's cool though. I ain't finna push it. I'm about to go pick up my kids and go home, and I'll be back tomorrow. And I know I'm gonna get 2 orders done tomorrow. I'll be up for 50% because you know what, I could have cheated and did it the other way and just unassigned some orders, but no, I want to show you accepting every order, how hard it is to raise your acceptance rate. So you know what, if you made it this far in the video, you're the real MVP, and you really must like watching me suffer because you've been watching this whole series and I've been suffering. But look, go ahead and check out this next one right here.